Hey there, fellow builders and problem solvers. Have you ever wondered how engineers design massive factories or optimize complex logistics networks? Ever thought about testing out your wildest ideas before committing real-world resources? The answer, my friends, lies in the exciting world of simulation software. Simulation software allows us to create virtual representations of real-world systems. We can experiment with different scenarios, analyze performance, and make informed decisions, all without the risk and expense of physical prototyping. And in this arena of digital twins and virtual experiments, one name consistently stands out: Flexsim. But how does Flexsim stack up against its competitors? What makes it tick, and what are its limitations? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the exciting world of Flexsim and its rivals. Flexsim has earned its place as a leading simulation software for several key reasons. First, it boasts an intuitive, three-dimensional environment that makes building and visualizing even complex systems surprisingly easy. Drag, drop, and connect. It's almost like playing with digital Lego bricks. Second, Flexsim offers unparalleled flexibility. It can model a wide range of systems, from manufacturing plants and logistics networks to healthcare processes and pedestrian flows. Need to simulate a robot arm on an assembly line? No problem. How about optimizing patient flow in a hospital emergency room? Flexsim can handle it. But Flexsim isn't the only game in town. Other powerful simulation software options exist, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Software like AnyLogic and Arena offer robust features and cater to specific industries. So, how do you choose the right tool for the job? That's a question we'll unpack in the next section. While Flexsim offers a powerful toolbox for simulation enthusiasts, it's not without its shortcomings. One challenge is the learning curve. Mastering Flexsim's full potential requires time and dedication, especially for complex projects. Flexsim offers comprehensive resources and a supportive community, but be prepared to invest in learning the ropes. Another consideration is cost. Flexsim licenses can be a significant investment, especially for small businesses or individual users. However, the return on investment in terms of optimized processes and reduced costs can be substantial. It's important to remember that all simulation software, including Flexsim's competitors, comes with its own set of challenges. Some software might be more specialized for certain industries, while others might lack the user-friendly interface that Flexsim is known for. The key is to carefully evaluate your specific needs and find the software that best aligns with your goals and budget. But what about real-world applications? Where has Flexsim truly made its mark? Let's move on to explore some inspiring success stories. Flexsim's impact extends far beyond the digital realm. In the real world, it's helping businesses across industries to streamline operations, boost efficiency, and achieve remarkable results. Take the automotive industry, for example. Major manufacturers like Ford and BMW have harnessed the power of Flexsim to simulate and optimize their assembly lines, resulting in increased production capacity and reduced bottlenecks. In the healthcare sector, hospitals are using Flexsim to model patient flow, optimize staffing levels, and improve overall efficiency. Even theme parks like Disney have embraced Flexsim to analyze crowd flow, optimize ride capacity, and ensure magical guest experiences. These examples are just a glimpse into the vast potential of Flexsim. As technology advances and the demand for sophisticated simulation solutions grows, Flexsim is poised to play an even greater role in shaping the future of various industries. But what does that future hold, and what skills will be needed to thrive in this evolving landscape?
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our BAV channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.